Is AI going to take your sales job? I'm going to say yes and no. And there's some nuances to this. And today I'm going to break down the pros of human salespeople and the strengths that they have and the advantages that they have, and also where AI sales agents really shine in the area of sales and where I think things are heading and what we're seeing right now. And then you can decide for yourself. So let's dive in. Number one, salespeople have a huge advantage when it comes to building relationships. So when you're looking at like enterprise type sales, long sales cycles, sales that have big price tags attached to them, you're going to see salespeople thrive in that environment versus an AI sales agent. An AI sales agent can't really truly build the same type of relationship that a human can. And so when it comes to enterprise type sales, as of today, this could change in the distant future, but as of today, I believe that humans have a very distinct advantage over AI sales agent when it comes to enterprise type sales because of the relationship factor. Even in any type of other like premium type sales, like so if you're selling something that's, premium pricing or costs a little bit more and there's more involved in the transaction or it's complicated, right? Then they're going to have the advantage there too. Hey, real quick, if you're getting some value out of this, hit that subscribe button, like and share, drop a comment, and let's get back to it. Number two, the ability to read people. A lot of times sales is a very interactive, communicative type environment where you have to read the nuances of people's body language. You have to read their tone. You got to read their eyes. You got to read their posture. There's so many nuances in sales that if you're really good at reading people, you can be very good at sales. But AI agents don't have the ability yet to read people. I believe that's coming. I know it's being worked on. I know there's a future for that. But as of today, that is something where the human salespeople out there in the world, you guys that can read people and have high EQ, keep crushing it. You've got nothing to worry about as of today. Number three, the ability to pull lots of decision makers together in a room. You talk about complicated. It's one thing to do one-on-one sales, but when you have sales where you have 2, 3, 4, 5 decision makers all going back and forth, that is a totally different environment. And that really takes the human touch, because in that type of situation, you've got to read different personalities, different objectives. You've got devil's advocate, lots of questions, and there's just a very, very different environment there. And again, that normally comes with like enterprise type sales versus like really low cost item sales. So that would be somewhere where humans would shine and AI is not quite there yet. But let's talk about AI sales agents and where they do shine and what is possible for them as of today. I believe AI sales agents right now are doing a fantastic job on the selling aspect when it comes to lower ticket items. I'll give you an example. Let's use like a Crunch Fitness, for example. They have a $10 to $15 membership as an entry point, and that's really not a tough sale to begin with, and there's not a lot of objections there. So how can that work for something like that? Well, number one, always available and it's immediate. So if someone goes online and they're looking at the different memberships and they've been to a Crunch before in the past and they already know, like, I kind of want to join, I'm not really sure, boom, an AI sales agent can pick up that conversation, answer a couple of questions, overcome 1 or 2 quick objections, and dial in the sale right there online by sending them a link or taking them to the right page so they can go ahead and check out for their $10 a month membership, right? So in that situation, because they're always available and it's immediate, there's that instant gratification. Now I can go to the gym right now. I signed up and I don't have to walk into the gym and talk to a salesperson. So that's one area that AI agents really seem to thrive. It's the immediacy. It's the availability that they have. Number two is they can outperform salespeople when you have high volume lead management situations. So if you're a salesperson and you're working 5, 10, 20 leads, maybe 50 leads in a month, yeah, it's doable. But what if you're working 3, 4, 500 or 1,000 leads in a month? That gets overwhelming. You're going to drop the ball. Leads are slipping through the cracks. That's when it becomes really, really difficult. And you're really going to be slow on response times. And there's all the administrative aspects of like scheduling appointments and rescheduling and answering commonly asked questions. This is an area where AI sales agents really shine because they have the ability to manage thousands and thousands of leads simultaneously all at one time without any confusion on who had what conversation and who's at what stage of the pipeline or anything like that. Think about this. One AI sales agent could be rescheduling a lead at the same time that they can be booking a scheduled lead and at the same time answering a commonly asked question and at the same time having a sales conversation. Absolutely amazing. So that is an area where if you have a high volume sales environment with a lower ticket item, lower priced items, this is where they really shine. Number 3, online sales. So if you have online sales where everything takes place online, there's no real need to go in person anywhere. This is also where they really shine because the AI sales agent can then answer questions, they can overcome objections, and then facilitate the actual sale right then and there through a link, and then take them to a checkout page and walk them through the process if necessary and check them out. So that is another area where they really shine. So let's talk about the future. Where do we see AI sales specifically around like salespeople, longer sales cycle, all of this heading? Well, I do know this. Right now, it's a little bit on the early side, but it's moving really fast. And there's a lot of robots that are in training. There's AI avatars that are starting to look so real. So if you were having a Zoom meeting with an AI avatar, there's going to be a chance in the very near future, you're not going to be able to distinguish if that person's human or not. And the conversation around this is getting better and better. And right now, AI is starting to be able to read nuance. So if the camera on a Zoom meeting, for example, is reading 2 ways, it's going to be able to analyze body language, facial expressions, smiling, eyes, drifting, posture, tone, all kinds of different elements that we humans right now only can do and AI can't do. But that is going to be changing in the near future where you're going to have lots of data points and it's going to very quickly be able to analyze all of that and make decisions on what to do next. They will also be trained on how to overcome objections, how to facilitate and build relationships, and how to make sure that the sales process is moving forward. And when it does take a step backward, how to get it on track again. So I believe there's some interesting things in the pipeline. I don't believe in the next 24 months we're going to see AI taking over lots and lots of sales jobs, especially at the enterprise level. But 4 or 5 years from now, we're going to be dabbling. We're going to be seeing it. So I'm not sure what to expect. I mean, this is obviously just based on what I've seen, what's being developed. There's no guarantee. But I can tell you this, if you're a salesperson now, and you want to thrive, learn how to use AI. Make AI your friend and your ally to be able to handle that higher lead volume. Make AI your ally to be able to prospect better. Make AI part of your sales cycle instead of battling against it like a you versus me scenario, and you will become a top salesperson over the next several years, and maybe even make yourself indispensable because you will know how to work with AI in sales, and then you can be a consultant to other salespeople or companies that are building AI sales agents, right? So anyway, if you enjoyed that video and you want to learn more on how to unlock AI for you in your business or in your life, check out this next video.